What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Castles by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, and what that means is your guitar is in standard E tuning, and then you drop your low E string down to a D note. Now the riff for this song is in a different key. I'm going to show you how to play the original riff, because what they did in the song is they pitched it down a lot to where you're not able to play the riff the way that it's played in the song on the guitar. I will show you how to play the riff that they're playing in the song the way that it's played originally, and then I'll also show you some chords that you can play to play along to the song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description, as well as the guitar tab that I made. You can find that in the video description as well. So once you get done with the video, if you need either of those, jump into the video description. They're there for you. So for the picking pattern, you're going to start with this formation here. You're going to put your ring finger on the 9th fret of the low D string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the A string, and your index finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And what you're doing here is you're picking D, A, D, A, G, D, A, D. Low D, A, D, A, G, D, A, D. And you're picking that twice. Now take your ring finger off to get that low D open and pick the exact same picking pattern. From this formation, you're going to slide down to this formation here. It's going to be middle finger on the low D on your 5th fret, ring finger on the A string on the 5th fret, and your index finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And here you're picking low D, high D, low D, high D, G, high D, low D, A. You're picking that 4 times. And that's the entire riff, and that entire riff just repeats throughout the entire song. So from the top, it looks like this. Now if you want to know the chords that you can play to play along to the song, I will show you the chords that you can play. You're going to capo up to the 3rd fret, and you're going to use E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Then we're gonna go G major, which is 3-2-0-0-0-3, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then finally C major, which is 0-3-2-0-1-0, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. Now the strumming pattern you can use for the song is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And that'll just repeat throughout the entire song. That C stays on twice as long as the E and the G. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.